Lane Singleton here, Vice President of Agronomy here at the Reynolds Lake Oconee, here at Great Waters number 5. And today we're talking about our sprigging process. All of our roughs here, or most of our roughs here at Great Waters, have been sprigged with tipped-up Bermuda grass. The Bermuda grass tipped-up comes from North Georgia turf farms. They supplied basically all of our turf here with the exception of greens. But this sprigging process is a little bit different than the sod that we've done. It's taken vegetatively out of a sod field that's grown probably 3 to 4 inches in length. And what happens is those sprigs are harvested out of that sod field by a ripping motion that creates a vegetative plant with a rhizome and a stolon attached. And they come out here to the golf course with an applicator that drops these sprigs down at a rate of 800 bushels to the acre. And then we cut them in with a cutting apparatus with a bunch of discs on it that plants that rhizome and those stolons in the soil to start the healing process, or start the recovery process, or start the growing process rather. That process takes about 6 to 8 weeks depending on fertility, rain, moisture, weather, and humidity. Right here on number 5, we're standing on a field, or the hole that's basically been sprigged about 4 weeks ago. So you can see they're growing in fairly well. We're heavily fertilizing, heavily watering these each and every day. And when we get to about the 8-week, 9-week, 10-week mark, they should be about 100% here. Look forward to updating you next go around with updates and progress on the Great Waters renovation. And as you know, we're ready to get this thing open this fall.
My name is Jorge Huerta, and I'm with Heritage Links. I'm a senior project manager for the company, and we are here doing the golf course renovation of Great Waters. I've been in the industry for over 25 years building golf courses throughout the world, and this place is beautiful here. So today we are, as you can see in some of the videos that you guys are seeing, we're doing the grassing of the greens. We're sprigging the greens. We're using Tiff Eagle from Pie Creek, a nursery here, a renowned nursery here in South Georgia. And some of the activity that you guys see is just putting the sprigs into the ground, making sure that they're cut in, and then your awesome maintenance crew here will be taking care of them with water and fertilizer and just making sure that they are all grown in here within the next 90 days. Thank you for watching this update, and I look forward to seeing you guys at the grand opening of Great Waters.